Okay.
All right. So, hi, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus, and we have Judy with us today, and we just closed on her property yesterday. So, Judy, I just have a couple of questions. First
Okay.
question, how did you hear about us? How did you find us?
I had got it into my head that it was time to sell my house and it needed a lot of repairs and I didn't really want to be bothered with any extra money. So I went online and I looked at a lot of different companies and I think since you were out of Columbus, I think you were the closest to me and I just started reading about you and kind of I checked you out
Mhm.
and I thought you sounded like a good company. So that's why I went with you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. And what was your experience working with our company? How was the entire process?
Oh, it was good. It was fast. I was really surprised how fast it was. Um, I didn't have any problems. You kept in great contact. You were always there
Thank
to
you.
let me know what was going on and to answer any questions. And really, no trouble whatsoever.
All right, thank you. I appreciate that. And last question, what would you say to homeowners out there who's looking to sell their properties for cash quickly?
Oh, I'd say do it. You won't get as much as if you go through a realtor. But let's be honest, if you go through a realtor, then you have to fix things and it's going to
Hmm.
cost you more money. And this way, when you go as an as is, um, it's quick, it's easy. You don't have to take any of the responsibility for fixing anything. And yeah, it works out really well.
All right, thank you, thank you. And thank you for the kind words, Judy. It was a pleasure working with you, and
You too.
you're welcome. And again, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. If you are looking to sell your house for cash quickly, call us at 614-556-4985 or find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. See you on the next video. Thank you, Judy.
You're welcome. Thank you.